Kawasaki Z900 in black continues to be a top choice for riders who seek a combination of aggressive styling, performance, and modern technology. With its powerful 948cc inline-four engine, the Z900 delivers an impressive 123 horsepower at 9,500 revolutions per minute and 98.6 Nm of torque at 7,700 revolutions per minute. This makes it a thrilling ride, whether on city streets or open highways. The bike's lightweight trellis frame enhances handling and stability, allowing for precise control even at high speeds. The inclusion of ride modes, traction control, and ABS ensures a safer and more customizable riding experience. In terms of design, the black edition of the Kawasaki Z900 offers a sleek and sophisticated look. The metallic spark black color gives it a stealthy, aggressive appearance, further enhanced by its sharp lines and muscular stance. The LED headlight and indicators provide excellent visibility while also adding a modern touch. The bike features a TFT digital instrument panel with smartphone connectivity, allowing riders to access notifications, navigation, and other functions through the Kawasaki Radiology app. For those looking to personalize their ride, the Z900 supports a range of aftermarket accessories. Popular upgrades include tail tidy kits, crash protectors, radiator guards, and performance exhaust systems that enhance both sound and power output. Additionally, bar end mirrors and lever protectors can be added to improve both aesthetics and safety. The pricing of the Kawasaki Z900 varies depending on the region, with estimates in Pakistan ranging from 1,840,700 Pakistani rupees for the ABS model to 2,379,000 Pakistani rupees for the RS variant. These prices may fluctuate based on import duties, taxes, and dealer charges. For the most accurate and up-to-date pricing, checking with local dealerships is recommended. The Kawasaki Z900 remains a standout option in the naked bike category, offering a perfect balance of power, style, and advanced technology.